Is acrylic paint waterproof for outdoor use?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to address a common question. Is acrylic paint waterproof for outdoor use? If you've ever wondered whether you can use acrylic paint for your outdoor projects and if it will withstand the elements, then this video is for you. Let's dive in and find out.
Understanding acrylic paint.
To determine whether acrylic paint is suitable for outdoor use, it's essential to understand its properties. Acrylic paint is a water-based paint that consists of pigments suspended in an acrylic polymer emulsion. When it dries, the water evaporates, leaving behind a layer of solid acrylic. Acrylic paint is known for its versatility, vibrant colors, and quick drying time.
Waterproofing characteristics.
When it comes to outdoor use, one crucial factor is the waterproofing capability of the paint. While acrylic paint is not inherently waterproof, it does have water-resistant properties once it fully dries. This means that under normal circumstances, acrylic paint can withstand light rain or moisture exposure without significant issues.
Limitations of acrylic paint for outdoor use.
Despite its water-resistant properties, acrylic paint does have some limitations for outdoor applications. First and foremost, prolonged exposure to harsh weather conditions, such as heavy rain, intense sunlight, or extreme temperature variations, can cause the paint to degrade over time. This can lead to fading, cracking, or peeling of the paint film. Additionally, acrylic paint may not adhere well to certain surfaces commonly found outdoors, such as untreated wood or some plastics. In these cases, proper surface preparation or the use of primers specifically designed for outdoor applications may be necessary to improve adhesion.
Enhancing durability for outdoor use.
To make acrylic paint more suitable for outdoor projects, there are a few steps you can take to enhance its durability. Applying a clear protective sealer or varnish over the painted surface can provide an extra layer of protection against moisture, UV rays, and general wear and tear. Make sure to choose a sealer or varnish that is designed for outdoor use and compatible with acrylic paint. It's important to note that even with a protective sealant, acrylic paint will still require maintenance and occasional touch-ups over time, especially in high-traffic areas or regions with harsh weather conditions. In conclusion, while acrylic paint is not inherently waterproof, it does possess water-resistant properties once it dries. For light outdoor use and projects that won't be subjected to extreme weather conditions, acrylic paint can be suitable. However, it's essential to consider its limitations and take steps to enhance its durability, such as using a protective sealant. We hope this video has shed some light on the use of acrylic paint for outdoor projects. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.